Suit your kids up with lots of warmth and have them ready for those winter months with this silhouette from Billy Footwear. This kid's boot is part of the Zappos Adaptive Collection. It features a unique upper that opens up with this zipper with flip-top technology. It zips all the way around the toe, so it has a large accommodating fit so you can slip their little feet right in without the need to fight those laces. It zips up just as easily, and the laces do remain functional to give it a classic look that is tieable that they do not need to rely on. It's made with a completely waterproof nylon upper that has lots of flex for more growing accommodation, and the tongue, of course, is gusseted to keep out any elements with that strip of nylon over the zipper to give it more strength. The rubber duck shell also makes sure it's waterproof with some abrasion resistance in the toe, and the inner lining itself is made with some thick insulated fabric with a faux fur texture. That keeps it incredibly warm up to -40 degrees, and the footbed in the bottom keeps them comfortable as well. Underneath, it sits on top of a dense rubber outsole that has extra grip and a ton of flex to keep them sure-footed.